Hey everyone, today we are going to try Nino's home bubble tea recipe. So I'm going to start by mixing the tapioca flour or cassava flour in cocoa powder. So next thing that we need to do, we are going to add the water and then the brown sugar. It has to be really dark, and then the tapioca flour, and then we are going to boil this in a low heat hanggang sa lumapot. And then that's what he said, but I keep watching his video. It's look like his water is more than 70 mils, and the tapioca flour looks like more than 5 grams, because 5 grams is actually not much. And I have watched the video like few times and it's look like more than 5 grams, but I'll just follow it and see how it goes. Right, so it's time to add that mixture to the flour, and then we are going to mix this. I feel like it doesn't look right, but anyway, I just keep going and let's see. Right, so I'm gonna knead this now, and I feel like it's gonna be a disaster. Right, so this is the dough, but I ended up adding more water because it keeps separating. So I don't know what's wrong, but I followed the instruction, but it didn't work out. Right, my tapioca pearls are done, but as you can see, it doesn't really look like his one. According to his video, divide the dough into 4 parts, roll it into long skinny dough, and shape it into small pieces around 0.5 centimeter. And as you can see, my tapioca pearls are not really like that. But anyway, we're just gonna cover this with tapioca flour so they don't stick together. So we are just gonna boil this. When the water is boiling, we are going to add the pearls in, and then we're just gonna stir it once in a while. And I'm gonna add a little bit more water. It's now boiling again, and we are going to keep boiling this up to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn the stove off and put the lid on and leave it for half an hour. And after half an hour, we are just going to remove the pearls from the water. Right, so we need to boil this again in a low heat with 50 ml of water, 35 grams of sugar, and keep stirring it about 5 minutes. Right, next is we are going to soak the tea on 200 mils of hot water. So I have just used the normal breakfast tea because I don't have a black tea. So I am going to put some powdered milk. He said 20 grams of sugar, but I'm not gonna follow that. 20 grams of sugar is a lot, so I just put 1 teaspoon of sugar instead. Give it a mix, and then next is I am going to add in some tapioca pearls. I'm gonna put heaps because I like pearls. Then I am going to put some ice. I wanna add some more pearls. Yay, my bubble tea is done and this is now ready to drink. If you're going to ask me if I'm going to do this again, the answer is no. I don't want to do this again. It's so tiring.